This is the Junghans design clock. It is a unique clock which is made out of wood, and it is lacquered in metal color. It is made in the style of the 1940s, and only one piece is existing of this very nice clock. It is equipped with two quartz movements. One is for the small second and the other one is for the normal movement. And it is made like some wristwatch. It is in the same style done as a wristwatch is. And here we can see it is made out of wood. And some holes for the hands to be moved.